I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 86, and we're going to be talking about forbearance. The pandemic changed a lot of things. When the economy started to be impacted and job security was a concern for homeowners, the federal government passed the CARES Act. As part of the CARES Act, homeowners were offered the opportunity of forbearance for federally backed mortgages, things like the FHA loan, the VA loan, loans that were backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. What forbearance was an agreement between mortgage companies and homeowners to temporarily stop payments on their homes. These things could have lasted up to 12 months. What forbearance was not was loan forgiveness. The payments are still due, the mortgage payments were still due, but likely they're going to be pushed to the end or made up over a span of time. If your loan is not federally backed, your loan company could require a lump sum payment. If you chose to enter forbearance, be sure to check with your provider for specifics on how your loan was impacted. This could cause some great confusion when with your lender when you go to sell your home later. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. I'm also on most popular media sites like Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.